So today is Super Bowl Sunday, which I know you won't see this video till way after that, but whatever. And we like to do a bunch of dips on Super Bowl. And even though it's just the four of us, we're gonna have way too much food, but who cares? This is a buffalo chicken dip, or I should say a buffalo turkey dip, because it's what I have in the house. So you start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese, a little softened, so it's been out of the fridge for about, I don't know, about half an hour, just to try to soften it up a bit. And I like to get all of my cream cheese, no wasting here. So you put in 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then your cooked turkey, chicken, whatever you happen to have. Some people use rotisserie chicken if it's easier. You can even use that canned chicken that they have at the grocery store. Just about a pound of chicken goes in. So I like to put it warm so it melts the cream cheese, and just mix it on up. So next you'll add half a cup of your favorite hot sauce. And then 3/4 of a cup of either ranch or blue cheese dressing, whatever you happen to have in the house. It's kind of better with blue cheese, but we have a lot of ranch, so we're going with that. So 3/4 of a cup. Half late. I'm just about done with one, but do not fear. We have a BJ subscription. We have more ranch dressing. Ranch dressing. And 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You're going to pour it into another dish. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes until it's bubbly goodness. Short 20 minutes later, you get this beautiful buffalo dip. I usually wait a little bit, but today I'm gonna go for it. Yum. So good.